Christ is my nigga.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another new vlog. So this is your friends, it's Scooter Life, and I welcome you guys back. So to make this story short, I would firstly like to thank all of the people who have joined this channel very recently. So I'm very grateful for Nikhil. He gave me a shout out. It's a very big heart. It takes a very big heart to give such a shout out and all stuff. So Nikhil, being a very good friend, thanks a lot. It means a lot. So as usual, I'm heading off to office. So today I'll take this route. But I'll let you know which road is this, because I just don't want to blabber anything which I don't know. So let me check which road is this. So today you'll see something new. So this is the Mrinal Tai Gore flyover. So this flyover will take me to the SV road. So to cut through this story short, I just remember the last time, the last time of the last year, actually 2015 of the November. Even I was a newbie. I was just researching for channels. Like I wanted to come into motovlogging, but scooter was not the idea which clicked into my mind at that particular time. So I was just searching for ideas. I came through a lot of channels related to motovlogging, and then I found Nikhil's channel, which just inspired me to start my own channel. And so these things happened. So by far now, in December my channel would be 1 year old, and even my Zing would be 1 year old, because we just booked her at the Diwali time last year, and we got hold of her in the late November. So it has been a year and the experience has been amazing. You guys have been supportive. So you guys have supported me a lot, which just inspired me to make new videos. Recently I'm not getting much time to make videos because I'm not getting time to travel much. So to all the new guys who have just joined in, so my channel is all about the traveling which I do on my scooter, the rides which we do usually. So this particular area is Goregaon West. So this is the big cinemas, and I'll be heading off from this side to my office today. So I just went to Jogeshwari for some work. That's why I took this route, and I just thought, you guys must see this particular flyover. See how much the distance it cuts. So firstly, if you wanted to come to Goregaon West, you had to travel all the way to Goregaon, then take that flyover, which is the old traditional one, and then you have to go get over here. But now it's not the scene like that. So you can just take this flyover or that flyover as well. So the time has come like now that I'll have to take this channel very seriously. Back then, if you guys have noticed, that I used to post up anything which was not related to my channel at all. But just I would like to ask you guys, so you have subscribed to my channel, The Scooter Life India. So I just want to keep it like what you guys want, I'll show that only. What is this, uncle? So I just want to make it clear that what do you want to see, guys? You guys want to see particular thing, so you can just comment down in the comment section, and I'll make sure that I'll do that things only. So coming to this area just reminded me of one thing. See the amount of line which has just gathered outside every bank. Not a single bank, but just every bank. In this case, I am very grateful to my mom, because she just bought change from her bank only, which was kind of great. So that saved my time to just stand at that queues. So guys, just don't lose the hope. You will get the change, because change has started. Modi ji, hats off to Modi ji with that amazing decision which he gave. So this is how our nation is developing. This kind of great. So I would like to keep it very short and simple. I would like to end this vlog over here. If you like this vlog, do hit the like button. If you dislike, you can dislike it as well, because it's a democratic country and you have all the right to express your views. But please just don't spread the hatred, because you just hate me. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have fun. This is your host Said Scooter Live, signing off for now. Thanks for watching.